So this is an easy walk. It's only about 2 kilometers return, you know. The whole loop takes 3 hours. The boardwalk has been done for just about a third of the whole trail. But luckily the boardwalk has been, goes all the way to the oldest and the largest tree. Great, and that's where it stops, and that's where we're going to turn around. This is all pristine rainforest. It's never been logged before. So what you're going to see today is trees. The average cedar here is about 500–600 years old. You will see trees that are over 1,000 years old and more. Yeah. So let's go. Why do you think these trees get so big? Well, you know, first they never go dormant. It never freezes here. It's always rain. It never snows. It never freezes. And they're evergreen, so they always carry on with photosynthesis. So they never have to grow a new set of leaves, you know. So they always have the leaves and catch the lights from the sun and just keep on growing 12 months a year. Yeah, Western red cedar.
Do they ever stop?
Never stop growing, always growing and growing and growing. But there's another thing too, rain, lots of it. About 10 to 12 feet, that would be roughly about 3–4 meters of rain every year. And it all falls in about 6 months, you know, mostly from about November all the way into April. May it gets a little better, June a little better. July is good, and August is good, and September is usually nice as well. But it does rain, you know, for days and days and days. Yeah. It was a spruce goose, you know. Howard Hughes was quite a rich man, and he built the largest plane in the world, and it was made of spruce, and it was BC Sitka spruce, like this one here. Yeah. You know, for equal weight, if you take 1 pound of spruce and take 1 kilo of spruce and a kilo of steel, it's as strong as steel, and very flexible. Yeah, that's why planes were made of that one. Also mast, you know, for sailboats. And now guitar tops and violins. Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Did they get all their wood?
So how many guitar tops in this one, Miles?
700 million.
You know, this one's about 60 feet around, close to that. You can see a large branch fell off, you know, from the top last winter in that same storm. Actually, 2 winters ago, in the same storm that brought that big tree down, and the branch fell right over. The branches are, you know, the size of trees in most forests.